Let's review the site and the service of Evelta. I ordered two products from Evelta Electronics. That's a 7 semi MAX-10S Precision GNS modem, industrial grade. So let's look at the site genuinity, because a lot of frauds are going on regarding the electronics selling. Recently, I have come across the fraud by this company called the ElctroPi. This is really a fraud company. I will give you a detailed video about it. This is really a fraud company. I ordered one electronic part from them, and it has not been delivered yet. So please don't believe in this company. So let me show about this company, but I'm not sure until unless I will unbox the product, which I will do it in front of you. So basically this site looks genuine, well presented, and they have their own call number like a customer support, and there is a GST which is missing in the ElctroPi. There is no GST defined in ElctroPi site, and in this there is a GST, so it looks genuine, and there is a proper address and subscribe to newsletter, and there is a the site is well presentable. So I ordered this product and the accelerometer ADXL, this one from the Fermi. These two accelerometers, one accelerometer and one the GPS model. So this is my account, and the order is well shown in this, and so this has two things, and it has been shipped. It shipped very early, in 2 days. So I have a product with me which was cash on delivery. So let's unbox and see. So basically they have a lot of product on them, on their site, drone parts and all that, connectors, sensors. So they have a good bouquet of the materials, current sensor, gas sensors, but until unless I'll use the product and see the product, I won't be able to convey. So let's unbox the material which I have ordered from the Evelta. So let's you can track also your order. So let's check this. So go to account and in orders. So I have ordered two things, and the value is 2663.26, which I paid to the personal account of the delivery guy. I don't know why he made a payment on his personal account. We'll investigate more, but I don't know. So I got my product. So let's do the unboxing of the product, and we'll check the quality of the product. So the product has been received by the to me by Evelta. You can just notice it here, and there is a address of their Mumbai office with a mobile number which is well defined, and it has a two product as I discussed, the Fermi ADXL 345 and the MAX-10 GPS iBlocks chip, both quantity 1, and the price is 2663, and there is a airway bill number, and the delivery partner is Delivery, which is a known company. So this order does not take much time to come, like 4 or 5 days, which is well accepted, unlike the ElctroPi, which has not been delivered yet. I have already done two complaints. One is on the consumer rights portal, and one is on the cyber police about the ElctroPi. I will make a detailed video about this and their fraud which is going on in the name of electronic selling, and they are just doing a cheating with us, and lot of delays and lot of lucrative offers on the site. So let's do an unboxing. This is well packed, a box, okay, so it doesn't look horrible. So let's close it. So just unwrap it. I am cutting it in front of you, so that if there is something wrong with this product, I would be able to challenge this product quality with the Evelta, because I'm very cautious this time. So it's packed, it's well packed. So there's a tape on everything, well taped material. So let me bring the knife. So I'm just trying to reach my product, so this way. So let's just, I think this way. So just cut there. I'm cutting it this way, and this packing is really good. I'm really convinced with the packing of the material. So, and oh yes, it's in the two more boxes inside, which is really appealing. And there is a made in India. So one product is from the Semi is GPS module, and the one product is from DF Robot, which is a very big company, and it's made in China. And there is a baggage. So really powerful packing. And let's see the product inside, because these electronics chips should be well packed in the electrostatic bag if you're from the electronic background. So let's see this. First the GPS module. So it's good that it's in the electrostatic bag. Wow, awesome. So this is ADXL, sorry, this is a GPS model with a GPS and the pulse. So it's a very good, I'm really convinced with the electrostatic packing. It looks new, fresh, so you can go for it. And let's see the inside. So I advise you not to touch this with a bare hand. Either you touch this way to the electronic components, so that static can damage it. So it's exactly look the original. So there is a Semi on it. Can you read this? Semi. And there is a Semi on the outside. Semi is the name of the company which manufactured it. There is no external antenna with it, which I need to buy it. And it's really, which is a SMA antenna, and they did not mention with the selling. And it's really nice. And the second is ADXL 345. Originally it is from the Analog Devices, but this is, I think, the clone one from DF Robots, Fermi, which is a very big company again. So they have given me the chip with the extension. So let's open it. I'm sure that these will work very good. This cost was like 500 rupees, which is worth, because the product, I tested. I think this is not anti-static, but this is ADXL 345. No way it's mentioned it's ADXL 345, but it's SN0032. So it looks the same, and it's M07495. okay, and it has a header also for soldering it. So you can solder it here and can insert it on the breadboard. So thank you. So this was the unboxing of two products from